Hello class! Today we are making fried Taro Balls. This sweet and savory snack is a popular item found in Taiwan night markets that often attracts long lines from local and tourists alike. Here are the ingredients. In a steamer, add 1.5 cup of water. In the steam tray, add half a bag or 250 grams of frozen taro. I'm using a frozen fried taro that is used often for hot pots because these are already cooked and steaming will only take a quick 5 minutes to soften them. Cover the lid and steam on high heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. Take out the salted egg yolks and cut them into halves. I got mine from 99 Ranch Market and they come in a packet of around 12 salted egg yolks that have already been cooked. In a bowl, add 1/4 cup of pork song, also known as pork floss. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise and mix it evenly with the pork song. This step will make the filling more moist and not dry when you bite into it. On a small plate, add a handful of shredded mozzarella cheese and set it aside. Pop 3 tablespoon block of butter in the microwave for about 20 seconds or until melted and set it aside. Turn off the heat for the steamer and check if the taro has been softened. Then remove them from the steamer. Add them in a large mixing bowl. Add 1/3 cup of sugar or any preferred sweetener. Add the melted butter and half a teaspoon of 5 spice powder. Use an immersion blender and puree the taro. Add about 6 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix them evenly into the taro. Use your hands to fold everything into a soft dough. Now take the taro dough and make them into small 2-inch balls. Take each ball and flatten in the palm of your hand. Add a half salted egg yolk, some pork song, and small bunch of shredded mozzarella cheese. Form a hole using your index finger and thumb. Place the dough on top with the filling and slowly spin into a ball. Make sure the filling is completely enwrapped at the dough. Let me show you a few more times so you can get a hang of making these. Once you're done making the balls, grab a bowl filled with some water and add 1 cup of panko bread crumbs onto a flat plate. Grab 1 taro ball and dip it into water, then into the panko. Cover and press the panko into the ball so that they don't flake off easily. Once all the taro balls have been breaded, it is time for frying. A deep frying pan or pot, add enough oil to about 2-inch depth and heat to about 350 degrees. Add the taro balls. Once the balls are in the oil, try not to move them or temper with them for a while. We want to make sure the crispy crust forms so that the balls won't come apart. Fry until golden brown and then you can flip them. Once all the sides are golden brown, remove them from the heat onto a paper towel-lined plate. Plate these beauties and then serve them immediately while they're nice and hot. Pull the ball apart and enjoy the gooey, cheesy filling. Now you can enjoy this popular night market snack at home without flying all the way to Taiwan and waiting in long lines at the night market. If you like this recipe, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.